If you love a good spritz, this cocktail is right up your alley.
Today we're gonna be making the Italicus Grapefruit Spritz.
Where are my spritz heads at?
Spritz heads where y'all at? Spritz heads.
That's a thing.
Spritz
a
head?
spritz head. Is that a thing? I might have just made that up.
I think you just made that up. Italicus was created by a world-class bartender.
Like us.
Just like us. Giuseppe Gallo, shout out to you.
Brava Gallo.
Brava Gallo.
We love it.
We love you.
And we love you apparently too.
It is the reinvention of the Italian Rosolio, once known as the drink of kings. So basically, if we drink this, we're royals.
The second you pop this bottle open, the aromatics from the citrus are coming at you. It smells so good and refreshing. This is delicious on its own, on the rocks. It's very light. You get notes of rose and lavender, and then definitely the citrus.
The citrus is there. Okay, now, can we talk about the bottle? Mm-hmm. The bottle is literally a masterpiece. It's so beautiful. It looks like an Italian column.
It's gonna give a little bedazzle to your home bar or bar cart.
This is something that I would put in like a vodka soda, a gin and soda, a little topper of Italicus. Boom, perfect cocktail.
It doesn't just look pretty, it tastes amazing.
All about it. We're all about this.
Now let's dive into this recipe and find out just how to make this spritz.
We're gonna start off with our citrus. Today we're gonna be using grapefruit. We're gonna add 2 ounces into our mixing glass.
Next we're adding 1.5 ounces of Italicus, the juice of kings.
Now we're gonna be adding some bubbles. We're going in with 2 ounces of prosecco.
And then strain it into a glass with ice and garnish with a grapefruit slice.
And cheers. Thirsty approved.
Yes, baby.
Like, everyone go get this right now. Go get it.
The most refreshing cocktail that I've had in a very long time.
I honestly love this. The grapefruit complements this Italicus so well. They honestly are a great marriage. Like, they belong together. We belong together. Yeah, I'm very impressed. Like, I looked at the bottle and said, I just hope that the insides are as beautiful as the outsides.
And they were.
And they were. You're so beautiful, inside and out.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.